80 kilometers northwest of Balikpapan, the teams begin the first of the special tasks. These are the competitive elements of Camel Trophy, each designed to test the participants' stamina, mental ability, navigation, and 4x4 driving skills.
Yeah, I think you've got to relax a bit. It's good to win a competition, but keeping the vehicle for at least 3 weeks was a crash on day one.
The only thing broken is the exhaust arm, but it appears that there's no other serious damage. Obviously, it's not a good idea to finish it, but when you get into a task,
You don't have to cut the grass anymore.
Hard work,
Look at all the little baby lawnmowers.
would become their everyday routine. Gradually, they began to control the progress of the convoy as they headed
Yeah, get to work.
The first major river crossing was a big test. Muhuaburusu over the Sungai Jelau. Event coordinator Mark Day gave advice to the teams.
Why don't we just winch it backwards? We're going to build this road this side with sand track. We're going to build the road over there with sand track. We're going to drive straight on and straight off. Okay?
At first, they struggled to work as a cohesive unit, but eventually, working into the night using a local pontoon, the teams managed to get 38 vehicles across the swirling river in 12 hours.
Dude says, I'm hungry.
Startled locals, who hadn't seen vehicles for a long time, gazed in wonder at the convoy.